Bonjour Anna, nous avons eu notre cours aujourd'hui, le jeudi, on est combien? Le jeudi 20 février. Alors quel jour sommes-nous? Nous sommes le jeudi 20 février. Il est 1h39 ici à Mexico City et il est 2h39 à Boston. Il fait chaud, il fait beau ici, ok? Et voici communication progressive du français, mais on a fait traveling in France. Okay, so this is, I try to summarize everything. Okay, so votre numéro portable, de mobile, mobile phone, portable phone, if you want to say. Quel est votre numéro de portable? What is your phone number? Okay, portable number. Quel est votre numéro de portable? En oui, on sait quel est votre numéro de mobile. Okay, so we're gonna have to say 04 50 40 61 23. So it's easy in French because we have 2 digits. American phone numbers can be like 3 or 4 digits, so you can just say, let's say 04 50, okay, 40 61 23, okay. And the French put le in front of a phone number, okay. So mon numéro de portable est le. You're gonna hear also the French say mon numéro de portable c'est le. It is the. So my portable number, my phone number, etc. Votre adresse email, you're going to hear also the French say, votre adresse mail. That's not snail mail here, but votre courriel, which is not really used. I would say we use it in bureaucracy, administration. Okay. Expressing with ease and accuracy your email address has become crucial in today's connected world. The French will either say, quelle est votre adresse email? Quel est votre mail? Okay, I'm not going to go through this stuff because I don't think it's really useful. And we can say A comme Amsterdam, B comme Brigitte, N comme New York, okay, T comme Tom, etc. So, the symbols, arrobase, at, point, dot, tiré, hyphen, with a P, majuscule, uppercase, minuscule, lowercase. Okay, like let's say for instance here, we're gonna have J comme Jacques, not J, hein, J comme Jack, U comme Ursula, L comme Lucie, I comme Italy, 5 4 arrobase att.com. So we can say JULI 5 4 54 arrobase att.com. We have gmail.com. We don't say Wi-Fi in French, we say Wi-Fi. Quel est le code, le mot de passe? Un mot de passe, it's masculine. Mot de passe Wi-Fi is password. So, mon ordinateur portable is my laptop. You can say mon Mac, masculine, mon Mac, my Mac. Mon PC, masculine, MON, PC. La connexion Internet ne marche pas. It's like the internet connection doesn't work. We saw that the verb marche can also mean to walk. Let's say, je ne marche pas. I don't walk. And here it's about working. That we don't really need it. So in France, credit card information, well, it's private. We don't really give it to anybody. We have to be careful. Okay. So, but we say votre carte bancaire. Okay, it's like bank on card. So over the phone, you might need to give your credit card information. No way. And perhaps the French person will ask for your carte bancaire. Some French people call it carte bleue. It's a blue card. what does this mean? They are asking for a Visa or MC debit credit card. Okay, so MasterCard, MC. So Visa, MasterCard, it's the same. And I mean, I don't really use credit cards. French use credit cards, but not as much as the Americans, you know. So I don't know. I don't like to be enslaved in this kind of a program. So anyway, quel est votre numéro de carte Visa? Quelle est la date d'expiration? Quel est le code sécuritaire? You're not gonna do this stuff because you don't want to give your personal information. Okay, so you don't need this. But let's review the basic vocabulary. Mon nom de famille est, my last name is, and it's my masculine. Quel est votre prénom? What is your first name? Mon prénom est Julie. And again, we can hear the French say, mon prénom c'est, it is Julie. My first name. Nom de jeune fille is middle name. J'habite aux États-Unis. I live in the United States. If it's a city, we're going to say j'habite à with an accent, à Boston. Okay. Le code postal is a zip code, area code, zip code. Okay. And mon numéro de portable est remember, my cell phone number basically is whatever number you want to give. We saw the email. Wi-Fi, le mot de passe Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi password. Mon ordinateur portable, my laptop, basically. La connexion Internet ne marche pas. The Internet connection doesn't work. Okay. Credit card, Visa, MasterCard, you can say I have a Visa, so j'ai une Visa, because it's a card, it's feminine. J'ai une MasterCard, etc. Okay. When French people meet for the first time, they don't ask each other about their private life, their job, etc. Most of them would consider it very indiscreet indeed. So I gave you this expression, none of your business. Ça ne vous regarde pas, ça ne vous regarde pas, ou ça ne te regarde pas. Okay? So I'm going through the vocabulary again. So, j'adore marcher, j'aime marcher. Ça ne marche pas, ne pas is a negative form. Okay. Nous sommes de possessive adjectives. So let's just review that. Les adjectifs possessifs. My is, so I'm going to go through the masculine, feminine, and plural. So mon, ma, mes, my. Your, casual. Ton, ta, tes. His or her can be son, sa, ses. Depending on the noun that comes after. Okay, if the noun is feminine, we're going to say sa voiture. And I don't care if I say his car or her car. If the noun coming after the possessive is masculine, like un vélo, what is it? Un vélo, a bicycle, we're going to say son vélo. So that means his bicycle or her bicycle. And the plural, we don't care if it's feminine or masculine, it's going to be c'est. Okay? Our is notre, singular, or nos, plural. Okay, notre, nos. Your, formal, or when you talk to a group of people, can be votre or vos. Their can be leur, can be singular, or leur, with non pronoun de S, plural. Their cars. Okay. Leur voiture. So now I'm gonna go through communication and I'm gonna start. So we did the bakery, huh? So now it's gonna be, it's not going anywhere. Voilà. Parler des quantités. And it's page 12, la page 12. Parler des quantités, that means to talk about quantities. Au marché, at the market, and it's masculine. Au marché, it's like the farmer's market, basically. Le marchand, the merchant. La cliente, the client, and it's feminine. Bonjour madame, vous désirez? Hello ma'am. So, how can I help you? Do you have any questions? How can I help you? But the literal translation is, do you desire anything? Which is weird to say in English. It's like, how can I help you? But it's not a literal translation. Vous désirez? Je voudrais, we are familiar with this expression, I would like. Je voudrais 1 kilo de tomates, 2 courgettes et un poivron vert, s'il vous plaît. I would like a kilo of tomatoes, 2 zucchinis, 1 green bell pepper. Please, if you please, please. Voilà, madame, et avec ceci, here you go, ma'am. And with this, anything else? Je vais prendre aussi 4 pommes et une livre de fraises. So the literal translation is, I'm going to take also 4 apples and a pound of strawberries. Well, you can also say, I'm going to take, I'll also have 4 apples and a pound of strawberries. A pound of strawberries, so be careful because un, masculine, un livre is a book. Une livre is a quantity. This is 500 grams. Voilà, ce sera tout. Here you go, that will be all. Non, je voudrais aussi un peu de persil. I would also like a bit of parsley. Okay. So, we have different, expressions here. 1 kilo de, une livre de, un peu de. A kilo of, a pound of, a bit of. So, even though the noun is using a plural form here, I'm not going to use des. I'm going to use either de or the apostrophe. So, because here it starts with a consonant, I'm going to say 1 kilo de. And because the word here starts with an H or a vowel, I'm going to use the apostrophe. 1 kilo de tomates, 1 litre d'huile, a kilo of tomatoes, and a liter of oil. The same goes, ne dites pas, don't say, beaucoup des amis, non. Beaucoup d'amis, it starts with a vowel. And I don't care if it's singular or plural. It's gonna always be de or the apostrophe. Un grand nombre de gens, gens is people. It's like a big number of people or a large number of people. Un peu de persil, a bit of parsley. So it's singular, plural, 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 singular. So I don't care, it's gonna be de or the apostrophe. Quelques légumes, it's like a few vegetables, some vegetables. Une pomme de terre, potato. Une courgette, a zucchini. Un oignon, an onion. Une aubergine, an eggplant. Une tomate, tomato. Un chou-fleur, a cauliflower. Une carotte, a carrot. Un poivron rouge, red bell pepper. Un poivron vert, green bell pepper. Un poireau is a leek, L-E-E-K. Un brocoli, a broccoli. Une salade, a salad or lettuce. Des haricots verts, I don't have an liaison here. Des haricots verts, green beans. Des champignons, mushrooms. Plural, plural, singular, 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 singular and singular. Quelques fruits, a few fruits. Une pomme, an apple. Une orange, an orange. Un citron, a lemon. Un pamplemousse, a grapefruit. Une poire, a pear. Une pêche, a peach. Des cerises, cherries, plural. Des fraises, plural. Strawberries. Un abricot, an apricot. Une banane, a banana. Du raisin, grape. Grape here. Quelques herbes, a few herbs. Le persil, parsley. La menthe, mint. Le basilic, basil. Les herbes de Provence, like herbs of Provence. Le thym, le romarin, le laurier, thyme, rosemary, and bay leaf. So, we're going to talk about that. C'est une introduction. 1 kilo de, une livre de, une douzaine de, dozen of, 1 litre de, et un demi-litre de. Okay? So, after the exercises, you can go through some. So, you have a nice weekend. Take care.